Hello everyone and welcome back to Media Studies Pro. Today we are diving into a crucial topic for any aspiring filmmaker, the professional lighting workflow on a film set. This video is perfect for film students, content creators, and anyone curious about how those stunning cinematic looks are actually achieved. So, what exactly is a lighting workflow? It's the systematic, step-by-step process of designing, planning, setting up, and finalizing the lights for a scene. On a professional set, lighting is never an afterthought. Every single light serves a specific purpose, meticulously chosen to enhance the story, establish the mood, and complement the camera work. It's a blend of art and science that brings a director's vision to life. Let's break it down. Step 1 is the script breakdown and visual planning. Long before the cameras roll, the director of photography or DP dissects the script. They're looking for key details: the time of day, whether the scene is indoors or outdoors, the intended mood, and the emotional tone. Is it a tense, dramatic moment? Or a light, happy one? Based on this analysis, they decide on the overall lighting style. Will it be soft and gentle, high contrast and cinematic, or dark and moody for a horror feel? Next up, Step 2, Location Scouting and Light Analysis. The team visits the actual shooting location to assess the environment. They're analyzing the available natural light, noting where the windows are and what practical lights like lamps or overhead bulbs are already in place. They also check for crucial technical details like power source availability, ceiling height, and even the color of the walls, as that can affect the light's reflection. This scout determines how much artificial lighting is needed and the best places to position it. This leads us to Step 3, Lighting Design and Equipment Selection. With all the information from the script and the location, the DP finalizes the lighting plan. This means choosing the specific lights for the job: the key light to illuminate the subject, the fill light to soften shadows, and the backlight to create separation from the background. They also decide which types of lights to use. Will it be versatile LED panels, classic Fresnel lights for a focus beam, or large softboxes for a gentle wrap-around effect? Every choice is deliberate and driven by the needs of the scene. Now we're on set for Step 4, Blocking and Camera Placement. Before a single light is powered on, the director works with the actors to block their movements, and the camera team plans their angles and shots. Is it a wide shot establishing the scene, a mid shot for dialogue, or an intimate close-up? The lighting has to work for every single one. Lights are positioned strategically to ensure shadows and highlights look consistent as the actors and camera move through the space. With the blocking set, we move to Step 5, Light Placement and Shaping. This is where the gaffers and grips, the lighting crew, get to work. They place the lights according to the DP's plan, focusing on the key light's direction, controlling shadows, and creating a sense of depth. But it's not just about placing lights. It's about shaping them. They use tools like diffusers to soften the light, flags to block it from hitting certain areas, and reflectors to bounce it back into the scene. This precise control is what separates amateur from professional work. Step 6 is all about metering, exposure, and camera tests. Once the lights are in place, the team checks the exposure using the camera's monitor, tools like false color, and handheld light meters. They meticulously adjust the intensity of each light, its color temperature, and the overall contrast ratio. This technical check ensures the image is not just artistically pleasing but also correctly exposed, with no blown-out highlights or crushed shadows. We're almost there. Step 7 is rehearsal and fine adjustments. The actors run through the scene and the lighting team watches like hawks. This is their chance to catch any last-minute issues. Maybe a light is creating an unflattering shadow on an actor's face, or the mood doesn't feel quite right. Small, precise tweaks are made to ensure perfect continuity and emotional impact. Many beginners make common mistakes like setting up lights before blocking, ignoring the background, or simply overlighting everything. A professional workflow helps avoid these pitfalls. Finally, once the director and DP approve everything, the lighting is locked, no more changes. The scene is now ready to shoot, and this setup will be maintained for every take to ensure perfect consistency. And that's the professional lighting workflow from start to finish. If you found this video helpful and educational, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Media Studies Pro for more deep dives into the world of filmmaking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.